Like every year, we have planned the program in a way where not only the connoisseurs but all the young youth crowd we are kind of expecting from different organizations. They are, they are having lot of interest to come and watch. So keeping that in mind, we have designed the festival where we have very young Bharatanatyam dancers, Parthanath Upadhyay, coming with his group to perform Bharatanatyam, and Rajendra Nirupama, another young couple, very vibrant couple in Kathak, they are performing, and Guru Niranjan Raut in Odissi, they are presenting a ballet with his team. And first day program will end with Sangeeta Sarma, contemporary choreographer, presenting a theme on martial art through contemporary language. The second day, we are presenting Saptavarna, the seven shades of Indian dance and music, where 6 dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Manipuri, Thangta, Mohiniyattam, Odissi, and a group of percussionists and music by Guru Ramaharidas and Guru Dhaneshwar Swami, leading the team of 14 musicians. And all the team will come together in the end and they'll march ahead, take a journey to spread the message of peace. And the third day, we are also having very renowned dancer Alok Kanungo and Sandeep Malik, Kathak dancers from Calcutta, and Paika, the martial art form of Odisha, will be presented on the last day. On top of everything, we are doing a Namaskriya with Gotipua dances, with the Buddhist chanting. Definitely the contribution is there in a big way, because whole year people are waiting for this festival with this beautiful ambience, with Dhauli Stupa as the background, with colorful classical, folk and martial art on stage. We are definitely giving this stage to the young and as well as the stalwarts to perform and bring all the people together. Roughly 500 dancers take part every year. So definitely this stage is creating opportunity for dancers to be seen and the dance form to come alive. And definitely it's creating a space where people coming from outside Odisha, outside India, they are also getting the glimpse and the identity of Odishan art forms and Indian performing arts are definitely they are taking with them, and through the media it's getting popularized and propagated all over the globe. The dreams are there and we do not have enough time to realize our dreams, but we don't stop dreaming about it. This place I want to convert into a Santi Bihar, where all the performing art of Odisha not only will be taught but will be presented, demonstrated, and every evening there should be cultural program based on different peace themes, and there should be kind of allied art forms of Odisha should have place in this Santi Vihar, like handloom, sculpture and the sand art and painting, which have kind of enriched Odissi with the help of other tribal and folk art forms. The Odissi is enriched. So I want to have it under one roof where not only the connoisseurs but the students will come here to educate themselves. I would like to request all the viewers of Odisha Live, please watch this program on Odisha Live, which is so beautifully covered by Odisha Live. So I am hoping that through the lens of Odisha Live, you will have the glimpse of this beautiful festival and you will have many more events and occasions which will be covered by Odisha Live in future.